Hello everyone, today we are going to start question number 6 of the exercise 9.5. So this is your first question, and what you have given is 71 square we have to find out, and some students think it is very easy to find out 71 multiplied by 71. But it is quite okay. 71 square can also be found by multiplying 71 by 71. But the most easiest method is using identities. So here we are doing with the identity, because in this chapter, in this exercise, we are restricted to use the identities. Okay, and in your Olympiad or another exams, you can use your own method, like multiplying the base itself, uh, like 71 multiply 71. And if you are easy with the and identities, now it is more easier than the multiplying base to itself. So let us start. This is 71 square you have to find out. So I have splitted it like 70 plus 1, that is 70 plus 1 is 71 square. And you can write A as 70 and B as 1. Now let us compare which identity shows you A plus B whole square. So just compare it. So you will write A plus B whole square, and this is the identity A square plus 2AB plus B square. Some student will ask, ma'am, when can we write A square plus B square plus 2AB? Yes, you can write. Even I am also comfortable to write A square plus B square plus 2AB, but the format is A square plus 2AB plus B squares, and it is right to write it is quite right to write A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? So just put the value of A and B in the right hand side, because left we have already given. And student, do not be confused that we have given this form or that form. This is equality, right? Equality means left can be used for right and right can be used for left. If you have given A plus B square and you need a number in the splitted form, so you can write this. If you have given splitted form and you have to write somewhere in the square form, so you can write A plus B whole square, right? They are vice versa, both can be used. So you can write here A square, that is 70 square. I have written a B square. I told you that I'm comfortable to write A square plus B square plus 2AB. All are added terms. So three terms are added here. You can write B square first and 2AB then after this. So this is 70 square plus 1 square plus 2 into A into B, that is 70 into 1. So 7 square is 49, and 1 0, when you want to find out square, become double. It is quite easy to find the square of a zero number, tens number. So plus 1 square, that is 1, and 2 sevens are 40, and 1 0 will forward, you will get 140. 140 into 1 is 140, right? So if you add these three, it become 141, and if you add 141 in that, you will get 41, 9 and 1 10, right? 4 and 1 5. So the answer is 5041. Come to the second part. This is 99 square. Students, you can do 100 minus 1. It is quite easy to find 100 minus 1, and you can find 90 plus 9 also, right? It is your conveniences. But 1 and 100 are always easy to be calculated. So 100 minus 1 I'm doing here, square. So here A is 100, B is 1. So let us compare it to the identity. This is A minus B square, right? And it is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Only here minus will come, because when you multiply a positive A with a negative B, you will get ultimately minus here, right? So just put the value of A 100, B 1. So this is A square, that is 100 square, minus 2 into 100 into 1, plus B is 1, so 1 square. 1 square is 1, double 0 become 4 zeros, right? And 2 into 100 is 200, and 1 square is 1. After calculation, minus 200 plus 1 is minus 199, and OMG, this is wrongly written. So this is 1 minus 199. So subtract minus 199 here. You will get minus 199. You will get 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 9. So this is the answer I have added here. I'm sorry. Right? So this is your right answer. Now come to third part, 102 square, that is 100 plus 2 square. A is 100 and B is 2. So you can compare the identity like this one. This is the same part. Third and first are the same part. So A is 100, B is 2. So A plus B whole square you can put here, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here A is 100, 2 square plus 2 into 100 into 2, that is 2AB. When you calculate 100 square, you know 10,000, 2 square is 4 and 2 2s are 4, 4 into 100 is 400. So 404, when you add with this you will get 10,404. 998 square, that is you can write 1000 minus 2 is 998. You can do 990 plus 8 also. This is quite tough, so you will go to the easier side. So 1000 minus 2 square, that is equal to A is 1000, B is 2. So if you compare, you will get A minus B whole square, that is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square, right? So A is 1000, so 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 2 plus 2 square, right? So you can get 1 square is 1 and triple zero becomes 6 zeros, right? 1 0 become double of it. So 6 zeros minus 2 2s are 4, 4 into 1000 is 4000 and 2 square is 4. So if you subtract, you will get 3996, right? And if you subtract from here, you will get this one. Okay, now come to the fifth part. This is 5.2 square, so you can do 5 plus 0.2 or you can do 6 minus 0.8. Both can be done, but it is quite easy to do by 5 plus 0.2, 5 plus 0.2 square. So A is 5, B is 0.2. So A plus B whole square, that is A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A and B you can just put in the identity. So this is 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 square. 5 square you know is 25. This is 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, and one place will be there 20. So one place is there, so 2.0 is there, right? And for 2.0 you will cut the 0 after 2, so just 2 will be remain. And 0.2 square is 2 2s are 4, and 2 places will be there, so 0.04, right? Like let me tell you, 0.2 when multiplied to 0.2, this is the mean of square now. So 2 2s are 4, one place here, one place here, two places are there, so 0.04. If you add, you will get 25 plus 2 is 27.04, right? Now come to the sixth part. You can do 297 as 300 minus 3, and 303 can be written as 300 plus 3. So A is 300, B is 3. So right, let us compare. If I write A as 300, B as 3, it become A minus B into A plus B. That is the identity A square minus B square. So student, you have done you can use this left part to for the right and right part for the left one, right? If you have given A minus B into A plus B, you can write A square minus B square. If you have given A square minus B square and you need this type of form, you can write this also. So here we have given A is 300, B is 3, so this is 300 square minus 3 square. So 300 square is 3 3s are 9, and these double zero become 4 zeros, and 3 square is 9. If you subtract 10 minus 9 is 1, then 9 9 9 and 8, you will get this one. So this is the solution of the sixth part. Now come to seventh part. This is 78 multiplied by 82, right? So 78 can also be written as 80 minus 2, and 82 can also be written as 80 plus 2. So let us compare. A is 80, B is 2. So A minus B into A plus B, that is A square minus B square. A is 80, so 80 square minus 2 square. So 80 square, you know 8 square is 64, 0 square means 0 become double 0, minus 2 square is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. This is 9, 3 and 6, right? This is the solution. Come to the eighth part. 8.9 you have given, so you can do 9 minus 0.1 also, or 8 plus 0.9 also. I have done both the parts and the answers are same, right? In this part you can you will use the minus identity, and this part you will use the plus identity, right? So you can do by checking out. It is quite easy because we have done many questions. Now ninth part, 10.5 multiply by 9.5. 10.5 minus 1, you know this is 9.5, so we can write 10.5 as 9.5 plus 1, right? And 9.5 as it is. Now this is, if you multiply 9.5 with 9.5, you will get 9.5 square plus 9.5 multiplied by 1 is 9.5. Now this is the square of 9.5. You can split 9 plus 0.5, or you can do 10 minus 0.5, the same thing. So a is 9, b is 0.5, so it become a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is 9, so 9 square, b is 0.5, so 0.5 square plus 2 into a into b. If you multiply 9, if you do 9 square, this is 81 plus 0.5 square is 0.25 plus 2 9s are 18, 18 5s are 90, and one place will be there, so you can cut this 0. And this 9.5 as it is 2 plus, because it was there, it was not in the square, right? So you will write it as it is, right? And if you add all these four terms, you will get 99.75, right? I have done here. You can do the addition also. Come to the seventh question. Using this a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b, you have already given the identity. If you have not given the identity, you need to find out which identity you used. So first part is 51 square minus 49 square. Ultimately you can go with the identity where a is 51 and b is 49. So at first you will subtract, and in the second you will add. So after adding you will get 100, after subtracting you will get 2, and multiplication is 200. So come to the second part. Again 1.02 square is minus 0.98 square. So a is this and b is this. You can do subtraction, addition, and then multiplication. This is quite easy, students. A is 153, b is 147. Do the subtraction, addition, multiplication. Only 3 steps are there. Okay, a is 12.1, b is 7.9. Do subtraction, addition, and multiplication. This is the solution of the fourth part. Now come to question number 8. This is using x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So you have already given the identity, so you just follow this identity only. You will write 100 plus 3 is 103, 100 plus 4 is 104, x is 100, b a is 3 and b is 4. How you can let these, because same things are there in identity, that is x, and different things are a and b. You can take a and b as 3 and 4. So write 100 square plus 3 plus 4 into 100 plus 3 into 4. So this is 100 square, 10,000. 3 plus 4 is 7 into 100 is 700. 3 4s are 12. If you add all these 3 terms, you will get 10,712. Now come to the second part. 5.1 and 5.2 you are given to add, to multiply. So 5 plus 0.1 into 5 plus 0.2. Here x is 5 because same thing is x, and x is 5 here. A is 0.1 and b is 0.2. So using this identity you will do same things, the same term, that is 5 square plus different things added, 0.1 plus 0.2, and the same thing multiply plus the different things multiply, 0.1 multiply 0.2. So 5 square is 25. When you add this become 0.3 multiply by 5, you will get 5 3s are 15, that is 1.5. And if you multiply this 2 ones are 2, you will get 0.02 because 2 places are there. So add this 26.52, right? Come to the third part. I'm sorry, I'm having cough and cold. Third is 103 into 98. This is 100 plus 3 into 100 minus 2. So same thing is 100. So take x as 100, a as 3 and b as minus 2. So this is 100 square plus 3 minus 2 into 100 minus, because when you multiply 3 and minus 2 you will get minus 3 2s are 6, right? And this is 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 100 is 100 minus 6. So this is 94 when you subtract, and when you add with 10,000 you will get 10,094, right? So you can use here the same identity, but your b become minus b. Okay, 9.7 and 9.8. Again 10 minus 0.3 is 9.7 and 10 minus 0.2 is 9.8. So x is 10, a is minus 0.3, b is minus 0.2. So x plus a, x plus b, that is equal to, here you will use both a and b negative. So x square plus minus 0.3 plus minus 0.2 into 10. minus 0.3 into minus 0.2. So there is no difference in the identity, only you will use instead of a minus a, instead of b minus b. Ultimately the sign will change. So 10 square is 100, and this is 0.53 and 0.2, both are the negative sign, so you will add the numbers and put the negative sign. So 0.5 multiplied to 10 is minus 5.0, right? And you will cut this 0, and 3 to the 6, two places will be there, so 0.06. so this is 100 plus 06 minus 5, when you do this is 95.06. so that's all for today.